In this video, I will show you how to change controls on GTA Xbox. Grand Theft Auto or GTA is an action-packed open world game that offers a thrilling gaming experience. However, sometimes players may find the default controls uncomfortable or difficult to use. Fortunately, changing the controls in GTA is a straightforward progress. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of changing controls in GTA. Now, the very first thing you're going to do is accessing the game settings. The first step is to changing the controls in GTA and is accessing the game settings. To do this, follow these simple steps. First, launch GTA 5 on your PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. Once the game is loaded, navigate to the main menu. You just have to look for settings option and select it to access game settings. The next thing you have to do is navigating to the control section. After accessing the game settings, you need to navigate to the control section. To do this, you just have to go to settings menu, look for the controls option, and select the controls option to enter the controls section. Next step is customizing controls. Once you are in the controls section, you can start customizing the controls to your preference. You just have to follow this step. Firstly, you just have to scroll through the available controls option, select the control you want to change, and after selecting a control, you can either change the key or button assignment or disable it. To change the key button assignment, select the control and press the key button you want to assign to it. If you want to disable control, you just have to select it and choose the none option. You just have to repeat the process for any other controls you wish to customize. Last step is to save the changes. After you have customized the controls to your liking, it's crucial to save the changes. To do that, you just have to navigate to the save option. You just have to select the save option to save your control customizations. You just have to exit settings menu to ensure your changes takes effect. In conclusion, changing controls in GTA 5 is a simple process that can greatly enhance your gaming experience. By following the steps provided, you can customize the controls to suit your preferences and play the game with ease. So go ahead and make your GTA experience even better by changing the controls to your liking. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you a lot.